Hi, Mike Erlob here with Flex Physical Therapy, and I'm going to show you 3 stretches that you can use to help yourself with sciatica and back pain. Most of us, when we have issues with our back or sciatica, it's due to a lack of mobility in the hips. Generally, our hips get really tight. That restricts our motion, and that puts more pressure on the spine, thus leading to the increased pain that you may be experiencing. So the very first one that you should start with is the one that is called a modified pigeon pose. Pigeon pose is an actual yoga stretch, and what we've done is we've modified this to make it a little bit less aggressive. So this will be the first one that you start with. You just sit on the edge of your bed, kind of like I am here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take your leg and you're going to sit it kind of like if you were in a figure 4, but you just put it on the bed. And then, so you put your affected side there, hold that knee down, and then what you're going to do is you're going to gently lean forward. Now as you do that, you're going to feel a good stretch in that outer hip, and that's really what you're looking for. So you just lean forward till you get a good hip. You might get a little bit in the lower back. Hold that for about 10 to 20 seconds. Let up, and then do that again. Hold, feel for a good stretch. At no time should you ever get any knee pain. You should only feel this in the hip and the lower back. 10 to 20 seconds, and you should do 4 to 5 of these a couple times a day, and you can do this on both sides. Now once that becomes easy, the next step is to sit down and sit in a figure 4 position. Okay, now if you can't get into this position, that's why you can use the bed for that modified version. So from here in a figure 4 position, you just sit and you lean forward. Okay, now you feel the same thing. You want to stretch right in the gluteal area and in the lower back. If you don't feel that, or you feel a sharp pain, an alternative stretch is to pull up on the knee. If you pull up on the knee, you can also feel that right in that same area. It does the same thing. Hold that for 10 to 20 seconds and do 4 to 5 of those a couple times a day. Eventually that will get easy. You should do that on both sides. And then the next level is where you lay down on the floor. So this is called a figure 4 rotation stretch. So if you lay on the floor, or you can lay on your bed, you put yourself in that same figure 4 position, and now what you're going to do is you're going to rotate the legs. So the knee that's up, you're going to rotate towards the floor until you feel a stretch in the lower back. Keep your arms out, palms up, and just relax. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, and let your lower back relax and stretch. Hold that for 15 to 20 seconds and do 5 to 10 repetitions. And then this should be done on both sides. You would just reverse that and you would do the same thing to the other side. Now where you'll feel that stretch is on the opposite side in that low back. At no time should you have any pain or any shooting pains going down the leg. And that is the figure 4 hip stretch series. If you have any questions, you can reach us at flex-pt.com. Thank you very much.